Let's compare Arduino and ESP32 microcontroller platforms. Arduino Uno features an 8-bit ATmega328P processor at 16 MHz with limited memory. ESP32 houses a dual-core 32-bit processor at 240 MHz with significantly more memory. Arduino Uno has 14 digital pins. ESP32 boasts 32 GPIO pins and built-in wireless communication. In terms of power consumption, Arduino Uno consumes 15 to 50 mA, while ESP32 has low power options. Both Arduino and ESP32 support programming with the Arduino IDE, but ESP32 offers advanced features. Cost-wise, Arduino Uno ranges from $20 to $30, while ESP32 costs between $3 to $10. Arduino has a large support community, while ESP32's community is quickly growing.